In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Piggyvest account number. So let's say you just open an account and you don't know where your account number is, so you are kind of like stranded to find your Piggyvest account number. Probably you want to send money into the account. So what you just need to do is just log into your Piggyvest account, then go to account down below, click on account. Then you're gonna see this page like this. So you can see right here, you see where they write by Sterling Bank. That is my own account number, and that is where you're gonna see your own account number as well. So once you click on it, the account number will be copied. You can see account number copied, transfer to this, select Sterling Bank as the destination, and then you will be able to send money into that account. So it's very simple as that. So anytime you want to get your account number, you can just come down to this page, and then you'll be able to get your Piggyvest account number powered by Sterling Bank. That's just it.